We'll guide you through how to fix a Lenovo laptop keyboard not working. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a really annoying problem because you're then unable to go and use the laptop. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to try fixing this. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip anything. You may be in the situation of where you're currently on the lock screen like this, or you're already in, it doesn't matter. But if you are on this screen here, just to go and get access to try and resolve the problem, come to the bottom right and you can find accessibility and click there and switch on-screen keyboard. Now this opens up and you can go and enter in your PIN or password. You go and click in the PIN or password and you can then go and enter it just so we can go and get access, which I now have. So first of all, what you want to do is we need to go and access some settings. So what you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom. You need to go and find the Windows Start button and go and click there. Now what we need to do in here is go and find settings and you want to go and click on it. It should be in pinned. Now this will go and open up. Over to the left, you need to go and find the option for accessibility and go and click there. And now what we need to do is we need to come and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for keyboard in interaction. So you can go and click there. And you want to make sure sticky keys is turned off. When this is turned on and we go and click in the search, you're going to go and see keyboard isn't working. So make sure sticky keys is turned off and hopefully that goes and solves it. If it does, great. If it still doesn't, the next thing we're going to try doing is we need to come to the bottom and you want to go and find the Windows Start key and you want to right click on it. You need to go and find the option for device manager and go and click there. Now what you need to do is come down here and you want to go and find the option for keyboards and press the arrow to the left to expand it. And then you want to go and right click on the keyboard here and you want to find the option update driver, click there. This opens up. You need to find the option for browse my computer for drivers. Press let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select it. Press next. Now you can go and press close. And it's going to say about restarting it, but just press no for now. And what you can try doing is you can then try using it, go and see if it works. Hopefully it does. If you still find that it doesn't, what you want to do is come back here. We're going to right click on it and this time press uninstall device. Press uninstall, confirm the decision. And now we're going to go and press yes. It's now going to go and restart. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to go and wait. It shouldn't go and take too long. When it goes and restarts, it will go and reinstall the device again. When it goes and restarts, it's then going to go and reinstall the device. And hopefully that's then going to go and solve the problem. Doing this is essentially a refresh and hopefully it'll go and solve it. If it did, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We publish guides like this every single day. So I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again. And if you need help with anything else, feel free to go and check out the channel. And if you've got any suggestions, feel free to go and put them down below in the comments.